The five freedoms, based on the work of the Brambell Committee, later became the basis for laws in the UK and many other countries around the world. Animal welfare laws were transformed in so many ways. Hi, I'm Carly, and welcome back to the Animal Rights Tour. Laws protecting animals can be arranged into two separate groups: laws which prohibit cruelty to animals, and laws which promote their welfare, the quality of life of animals. You remember Martin's Law? That prohibited cruelty to animals, and laws in many countries around the world do that too. New Mexico prohibits mistreating, injuring, or tormenting an animal. Pakistan makes it illegal to overdrive or beat any animal. More recently, the U.S. passed a law making it unlawful to create an animal crush video. I know. Who would think you'd need a law to stop people from doing that? The other group are laws that promote the welfare of animals, their quality of life. In Germany, anyone who is caring for an animal must feed them and provide shelter for them that is appropriate to their species, behavior, and needs. In the UK, the 2006 Animal Welfare Act requires that a person responsible for an animal must take responsible steps to ensure that the needs of the animal are met. And the law refers back to the five freedoms. So far, so good. In round numbers, 1/3 of countries have both animal welfare and anti-cruelty laws, while another third have just anti-cruelty laws. And in all these cases, penalties are usually criminal, so a breach involves fines or imprisonment. But this series is about animal rights law, not animal welfare law. So what's the problem? What's wrong with all these welfare laws? In the next episode, we're going to look at why animals need rights. But just to give you a hint, the answer is that the animal welfare model is probably never going to be good enough to give animals a life worth living. More will be revealed next time on the Animal Rights Tour.